Welcome again, still in Valletta. What a lovely city. I've just come round the corner from the pub Oliver Reed's last place, unfortunately, where he passed away. It was a sad and tragic ending, unfortunately, that one. So I was in the pub, fast Wi-Fi in the pub in case you're interested. Check out the video I've done at the pub. I'll leave a wee link up here for you to check out at the end. We're just going to do a wee random walk down the side street, see what we can find. Some nice meeting places here. And they sell postage stamps here as well. There you go, that's random. Postcards, them to use postcards. They're old school, aren't they? Nobody really use them. If you're a model railway fan, you get your old Malta buses here, look at that. They're selling the old Malta buses, how cool is that? So I was outside the pub and I've got to tell you, I'm sure I get bit by something. I've got a wee lump in my neck and it's itching like mad, and I've also got a bite in my leg as well, so I don't know what was going on there. There's quite a lot of flies kicking about outside, and I've definitely succumbed to something. Hopefully it does not get any worse. What's this wee place here? A wee social place, pasta place, Moo's Kebab. They turn the corner here, I've never been down this street, so I don't know what's here. I can see we've got a craft beer bar. What a hidden gem this is already. Craft beer. It's a cracking wee bar. Don't have time to stop, I'm afraid. You can see a wee gastro bar down here as well. Let's take a wee look at this, lovely. 67 craft beer bar. Probably indicates maybe we get 67 craft beers. No? Lovely inside. Nice. There's also a wee bar down here as well, a wee gastro bar. Oof, come out of the shade there. October in Malta, at the start of it, you're looking at late 20s to 30 degrees during the day. The weather has been fantastic, and at night it only drops a couple of degrees. It's still been 25 at night. Lovely wee places here. Another wee bistro and bar there as well. Nice, eh? Let's go back down the hill, but the only problem with getting down hills is you've got to come back up them. Somebody did mention in the comments that Valletta are not really mobile friendly, like disabled access, and I totally appreciate that comment. It's a very, very hilly city, apart from the main streets, like Merchant Street and the public street. Now, to be fair, there is a lot of the side streets like this you can go down with a mobility scooter or a wheelchair. You could go down, but bear in mind they are incredibly steep, so you need to really concentrate if you're going down yourself or if you're pushing somebody. Right, what's this? Stop trying to make everyone happy. You're not beer. I like that. Okay, that's called Talonza. It's a nice wee place. There's a food smell coming from one of these places which is amazing. I can't describe it. Kind of garlic smell. There's a city tours bus. It's €5 just to jump on that. If I time it, I jump on it. A wee fruit place there as well. If I time I just jump on it because €5 is nothing. And it would save my foot. So there's just so many side streets like this in Valletta. You don't know what you're going to find. Carbonara, okay. We've got a wee funny sign here. We speak very poor English, but we cook a very good carbonara. So this might be a place that the locals know. What's the name of it? Is it Zero Say? Zero Say. There's a queue to get in it, and it's busy inside. It's a wee tiny place. I think that's where the food's coming from. It smells amazing. Absolutely amazing. Random pharmacy there. If you need anything at the pharmacy, actually I need some for this bite. I was looking at my leg there, see if I can show you the bite in my leg. That seems to be deteriorating as well. Look at the beautiful statues I've got here as well. Look. Guy just put something in the van, can I miss that bit there? And down there. Oh, if you fancy getting up and down this hill, look at that. That's serious. Let's cross over. Look at the hill up the top there. Wow. You could have trams there. It reminds me of Lisbon a bit. Beautiful churches everywhere you go as well. Beautiful buildings. Lisbon's a wee bit like that, where some of the streets are so hilly they've actually got trams running up the streets. I think I took a video one of the times in Lisbon. Oh, that's a beautiful wee bar. What's this place in here? Rizal restaurant, I think. probably open later on, a bit early for it. It's really nice inside. Got a wee cafe here. This is more of a kind of local vibe down here. You're a wee bit off the main streets where the main hotels are, but obviously effectively some of these restaurants, cafes, bars are built into the side of historic buildings, probably dating back to 16th, 17th, 18th century. Beautiful. Wee cafe in there. Food just coming out, looks interesting. Is that building there? Beautiful inside there. The Lady of Mount Carmel. I won't go right in, I'll just show you a wee bit. More rooms further back, but I wasn't going right in. There's maybe a service on just now. Go down the stairs and try an Italian style menu. Hidden gems down here. More hills to avoid down here. Kitchen place here. It's a wee restaurant here. I'll have to go down here, eh? St Paul's Pro Cathedral. Done a good job with the steps here, the tables. You've got a wee sea view here, a sea view restaurant. Stunning. Right, let's go down now. I'm invested now. Once I'm down the bottom here, I'm going to have to go all the way back up to my hotel. Right, people eating food there. This sounds nice. It's called the Undercroft. Some hidden gems. Right, let's go down the bottom to the seafront. Now this is already concerning me because I know where my hotel is and I think I'm going to have a hell of a climb back up to the hotel. Oh, it's going to be a bad one. Now to be fair, this is where it gets really unsuitable if you've got any mobility issues or anything like that. There's so many steps down here. I don't know, it's unavoidable. I suppose this city was built hundreds of years ago, so they probably weren't thinking of that back then. So these be interesting courtyards in between as well. It's called the Lookout, aptly named considering the city was built fortifications and it was built really to defend itself from invaders. And that building is called the Lookout. Got a beautiful wee horse down here. Won't be going on that, but we got around there. Definitely lost now. Poor wee horse. Oh, let's quickly go over. No real idea where we are just now. I need to Google Maps back to my hotel probably, but I can tell you somewhere in a nice spot, aren't we? Hope you enjoyed it. Do me a favour, if you're new to the channel, hit the wee button there that says subscribe. It's absolutely free, doesn't cost anything. Breaking news. Check out all my other videos on Malta. I'll leave a wee link to the playlist up here at the end, videos that might interest you if you are a Malta fan. And I need to figure out my way back to the hotel, the Castile Hotel. Don't know where it is. Going to be up a lot of hills, that's for sure. Thanks for watching.